Hello guys, it's me once again with you today. So this is the full review video of the Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G, which I promised you guys. So this thing sports a nice display, guys, and guess what? It's an AMOLED. Yeah, and this thing has an under-screen fingerprint sensor, optical. So it's very usable. And this thing supports HDR10 plus, guys, with a 430 nits brightness, and even above that when you are using the sunlight mode. It has a sunlight mode, guys. This is it. So when you have it turned on, it goes over 430 nits, guys. Like, it's very awesome. I'm in the sun, so I just this is outdoors. It's very bright. So guys, the screen size on this thing is a 6.57 inch screen with a 1080 by 2400 pixels, and it has a 401 pixel per inch. And this the screen is a Gorilla Glass 5, and it's a hard one, guys. I didn't do a drop test, and I won't try that with my phone, guys. So, but Gorilla Glass 5 is okay. So guys, this thing comes with a 48 megapixel main camera sensor with an f 1.8 aperture. So this is the front camera, 16 megapixel front camera. It's okay. This is the 48 megapixel ultra HD main camera, and this is portrait mode. So I used different camera settings to take this picture. So this is the normal camera. So guys, it's just okay. Nice HDR, dynamic range is good. um Camera is just okay, guys, nothing to complain about. And this is just a mid-range device, so it did well in my own to my own taste. So it's a mid-range device, so I didn't expect much, but it's okay. And guys, in case you don't know, this thing has it has four cameras. A second after the 48 megapixel camera. It has an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.2 aperture. This is ultra wide camera, guys, and it has a third 2 megapixel macro camera, and the fourth 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. So this is the camera used for bokeh pictures and all that. The cameras are okay, guys. This is a mid-range device, like I said before, so it's just usable, guys. It's okay. And this thing records video at 4K 60 fps. It has 1080p at 30 fps and 60 fps with 4K 30 fps, which is very good. Like, it's okay. But the front camera is just capped at 1080p, no 4K there. I didn't expect a 4K on the front camera because this is not a flagship. You can only see that on flagship devices, I think. So while using this device, it felt very very snappy, guys. So thanks to the Snapdragon 765G processor and the 7 nanometer, it's a 7 nanometer chipset, guys. So it performs okay. So I just like the outdoor brightness on this device. It's excellent. You can see your screen very well. So this device is powered by a Snapdragon 765G gaming processor with a 2.4 GHz octa-core. So this chipset is okay, guys. It's excellent. And this thing has 6 gig RAM and 128 gig, although it has other variants. So the GPU powering this device is the Snapdragon Adreno 620, which is a decent GPU, guys. Like, the graphics on this thing is excellent, and this is 60 FPS gaming. So it's excellent, guys. It's okay. You can't complain about that. And this thing has a 4150 mAh battery with a 20-watt fast charger right from the box. So this thing charged very quickly, guys. Like, I was surprised. It gave me like 60% in 30 minutes. Like, it's very fast, and battery is okay. Battery life is okay, guys. Like, I'll still, after some time, after a while using this for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month, I will still do a final impression of you, like, talking about the battery, the camera, whether I noticed any issue with the device and all that. But for now, this device is excellent. And in case you don't know, this is 5G enabled device, guys. But 5G is not here right now, so uh, 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 I'm capped at the 4G. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.